Hey everybody, if you saw my last video, you'll see that I haven't moved too far from the sand dunes down here at Waikanae Beach. In the last video I was there for a sunrise, but for this video I thought we'd go and see if the birds are awake, which I'm pretty sure they are. I can see them flying about. So the camera I've got today is the Nikon Z7II. I've got the 70-200 F2.8 lens on it. I'm just hoping to get some nice portraits of a dotterel or some other birds. So yeah, let's go and have a look for some. Alrighty. And it might be that I don't find any dotterel, so any bird life will do. Bonus points if I get some birds, flying. And those sort of panning flying shots. Yeah, bonus points if I get that. So I don't usually do wildlife or bird photography. I understand that you need to have a fairly good reach to get the animal or bird to fill up most of the frame. So 200mm probably isn't good enough really, unless I can sneak up, which I'm not very stealth-like, but we'll do my best. The shutter speeds are kind of the important bit, so they need to be nice and quick to freeze the bird in motion, and perhaps as you pan you can still freeze the bird in motion because you're tracking it to the same part of the sensor. So shutter speed wise, we're going to aim for a faster speed than 1/2000. Probably need to stop down a little bit, but just for a wee while I'll experiment with it at 2.8. Alright, so I found some dotterels. Of course they're very small and therefore on a 200mm they're just a small dot on the screen. So I'll see if there's some software that can boost the resolution of those artificially. Otherwise I'll just crop in. Yeah, at some stage I'll do this all over again, hopefully with either a teleconverter or a longer lens, or maybe both, who knows. So now I'm just going to head over to the main little lake pond bits of the estuary, and we'll see if we can find a swan or two. Yeah. Okay, I think that's me done for the morning. I think we can conclude that the 70-200mm lens doesn't quite have enough reach for this sort of photography, i.e. the birds are a bit too small on the frame. We can get a teleconverter to go on this, though I'll just need to save up some money to do that. Perhaps it would be worthwhile in the future to get a longer lens like the 180-600mm, and imagine if you had a teleconverter for that. Dude. Those sort of things are, what dreams are made of, hey? So hopefully you enjoy seeing some of these images I'll put at the end of the video, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, see ya.